Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a cloud provider and confirming your phone is ready. Check Android version and available space, then compare plans, storage limits, price, and security. Once decided, install the provider app from Play Store and sign in with your account. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for safety. If you're on mobile data, pause uploads until you have Wi-Fi because large transfers can exceed your plan. Now open the app and get ready to configure backups and sync options. Now you configure what actually moves to the cloud. You'll enable automatic camera backup and choose which folders to sync, photos, downloads, documents, so you don't miss anything. Make sure to set upload quality and schedule. Lower quality or Wi-Fi only uploads save data and battery. You can also select selective sync to keep large files local. Once done, run a manual sync to verify files appear in the cloud interface. If permissions are requested, grant storage and photos access so syncing works reliably. Finish by confirming files uploaded successfully and then free up local space using the app's Remove from Device or Cleanup tool. Set sharing permissions and retention policies so only intended people can access files. If sync stalls, re-authenticate the account, toggle sync off and on, or clear the app cache. These steps often fix stuck uploads. Make sure storage quotas aren't exceeded and that background app refresh is allowed. Once everything is synced and organized, your cloud storage on Android is complete and ready for daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.